If you walk the streets of New York and LA, you're gonna see everyone carry one of these bags. And creasing, and it's not. Can you? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelica. If you're new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button to join the hashtag Angel family because you're not gonna wanna miss another unboxing like this. We're in my room, as y'all can tell. If you have missed any of my room tour, living room tour, whatever, my closet is now covered because I wanna be able to show you guys all of the Goyard bags that I have collected, as well as the honest review to it all, the wear and tear, just really the first impressions, everything, as well as how to style them and the outfits. Further ado, let's get into it. My hand's kind of shaking right now because holding this camera, I swear it's like 15 pounds. So let's get it. Hey guys, we have such a fun and exciting unboxing slash review to be doing. I've been waiting quite a while to be actually filming this video and having my honest opinion on this stuff. Here are my 3 Goyard bags. Obviously, they're all in different colors and one of them obviously matches my outfit. Stay tuned throughout the video for some outfit pairings as well, because I know some of these pop of color. This one or maybe this one, you might not know what to exactly wear with, especially when it's like such a bold color. What should we start with? Oh my goodness. Other than the other tote, the Mini Anjou or the Anjou, I personally love the size of this all. I got this originally in Los Angeles on Rodeo Drive. There is nowhere near me that has like a Goyard. There's no Washington like Goyard anywhere. So yes, very petite. I did get this for about, I think it was like $2,200 or $2,250, something like that. But it was definitely worth it at the end of the day. Now let's get straight into the details as to like what's in here, what can fit in here, you know, how do I feel about this bag, the comfortability with it all. First of all, I did have some a little bit staining on here. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like some minor wear and tear in there because I had gum and I'm so stupid. Like this is one of my favorite bags ever. I use this all the time. I really like how the Goyard bags come with these tiny mini wallets to begin with. You can just like take this off as well and just like put it in any of your bags, which is really nice. I put cash in the back, as you can tell here, and then over in here I usually put my lip balms or whatever. Carry my lotions and carry my lip balms and carry my lash spoolie. Just like some random stuff, hair tie, you know, all that stuff. And so I don't have any really wear and tear in terms of like the leather straps. I know people have been complaining in the past, like I saw on TikTok, that if you like take it out in like burning heat, that these straps right here can discolor, like, and like, you know, discolor your outfit and stuff because it's like melting. Personally, I've never experienced that because I live in Washington and I don't take this out in 100-degree weather. Why would you have this in direct sunlight like 24/7? Like even if you're like having like lunch outside, like why would you have it in like sun? I don't know. So yeah, the canvas to this all is just really good quality in my opinion. I don't know, like yes, you can flip the inside out. Let me see if I can do it with this one and show you guys what it looks like. I don't know what it is, but me trying to, you know, flip this inside out, it just feels so wrong. Like look at that. It just feels like I shouldn't be doing it. And also if you're carrying a Goyard bag, like I want it to be, you know, a signature pattern and you can kind of see like, oh okay, like that's from Goyard. Even if I did take this out though, I feel like a lot of people would know that it's still Goyard, you know? Oh, see? You guys see like my gum damage on there? Yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks very plain. It literally looks like a $20 bag when you do this versus the other way around. I think the color is iconic. The reason why I got it is because I don't have a bag like that and I love blue. That is my favorite color this season. Honestly, all of the straps that are like, you know, tote bag based, it does kind of end up falling off a little bit. Like this is kind of, for me at least, depending on what I wear, you know, you see like the strap kind of like come off, like one of them will come off, so I'll have to like crisscross it and I just wear it like that. Love how this entire outfit is just, oh my goodness, like I cannot. No regrets with this bag whatsoever. Okay, so the next bag is the famous Saint Louis PM Tote. It is the perfect size, I feel like. I know a lot of people, they do get the GM, which is one size up. I feel like it's like this big, a little bit this tall. My mom has the GM. It's like definitely for travel, for like a carry-on type of thing, or for like the beach. But I don't recommend obviously jetpacking these super heavy as well, because the straps I've noticed for these ones tend to stretch like a little bit or crease a little bit more. I guess I have a little bit of creasing like on this side right here on the bottom, but you can't really see it because it kind of blends in with the leather. I will usually not take as often now that I have the other two Goyard bags, but the Saint Louis is so iconic in terms of like the look of it. I feel like everyone in New York and LA kind of has it. Obviously kind of like switch the inside out of these ones as well. I don't really like the interior on the outside just because it can get really dirty really quick. Are you humping me while I'm doing a Goyard bag review? What's so nice is it does come with a mini wallet, a little bit bigger than the Anjou that I have. So yes, you can put cash in there. I put my lip liners, my eyelash spoolies, and like some kind of lipstick thing in there. But because I do that, I actually did stain like the canvas to it in the inside, and I am like screaming. I literally found out and I was like, there's no way that happened to me. But it's okay. I'm keeping this bag literally forever. I love, love, love all my Goyard pieces. I bought this in New York, and I think after tax and everything, it was about $1,800, I want to say, something around there. And I was so surprised because I don't know why I thought that this was gonna be like way more, especially when like the demand is so high nowadays. You're gonna see everyone carry one of these bags. I kind of wish I had another pop color. I really wanted like the red one next. This strap, I've seen like a lot of complaints in terms of it being one, too short, you know, when you're wearing a jacket, because you can't even like put it over, or two, the grip, obviously, like it's just like loose as well, depending on what you wear. I definitely put my laptop in here. I put my water bottle in here, like a small one, obviously something that's not gonna like try to leak. I put my snacks in here, lip gloss, like all that stuff. But like I said, I don't pack it super heavy and super full that it looks like bulky and like whatever. I just think that the floppier version looks much more natural than the one that has a zipper and is like stuck up like this. It just looks like, it's like you see it down, it's just like, and I'm like, is this even real? Like it looks so plasticky. Definitely love this piece. I definitely feel like this is like an in the middle type of like bag for me. Last but not least, this was actually my first bag ever that I got from Goyard. I originally came into New York during the time being, I think it was like last fall, and I was like, okay, I came for the Saint Louis PM Tote, but they didn't have any of my colors I wanted. They didn't have like white, they didn't have, my mom had a gray one, so I didn't want to copy her, and then also I didn't have the green or the blue, so I was like, no. And this was the bag that was like my dream bag from Goyard before the totes, just because I don't know, I feel like this is a very pricey buy. I think I got this one for $3,000. I know, it's like a small messenger bag. It's the PM Belvedere, okay? And I don't know how I was able to convince myself to kind of get this one instead, but I pulled the strings and I got it. And I really like this one because it's obviously has a very unique messenger bag shape to it. You kind of pull it from here. And then what's really nice is that you can alter the straps in terms of like the length. So I'll kind of just like, you know, roll it in here over, and then when I close it, it's much more shorter, and you can wear it not only as a crossbody, but kind of as like a shoulder bag. And yes, this is adjustable right here as well. So you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, and it's just really cute like that. So I've worn it with dresses, I've worn it with jeans, I've worn it with literally skirts, anything. This thing will match with anything as well, as long as you know how to like, I don't know, style it in terms of like the look of it, you know? It's yellow interior, really odd. It has a slit in here, you can put your money in here. You can put whatever, you know, pockets in here. I put my Canon G7X camera in here. I put my wallet in here. I put my lip glosses in here and my lotion, all that stuff. And what's so cool and nice about this is the fact that they have a slit in the back and you can put anything here. So I usually put my phone in here because I'll need my phone at all times, at the randomest times ever. So I'll like, you know, pull it in and out most times. But it's so light. Like I never really get aches. I would not recommend, like I said, with all the other straps, since I know like the straps look a tiny bit thick, but then it's like not really, you know, you don't want to like stretch it and then it's gonna end up breaking and creasing, and it's just not, it's not. Can you? Regardless, all of these ones, especially these two, they're pretty much, they look the same. One's just smaller than the other. Price range though, however, is there's a fat difference in that. You can dress up or you can dress down with this. I feel like a lot of people, like, you can wear workout outfits with these things, okay? Not just like jeans and whatnot. But this, I find myself always wearing this with like a nice pair of like outfit of jeans, you know, with like a nice top or skirt, dress, whatever. So now that we're over here, I do want to show you guys my closet. Let's get you closer so you can see how I'm gonna stack these bags. We have the Saint Louis, and I usually put this guy like over here. That way, you know, it's kind of just like resting there. Mini Anjou Tote, and I'm kind of just putting this one obviously next to him too. So they're kind of stuck up next to each other like some besties. That's literally how I showcase and kind of stack my designer bags all together. I kind of wish I had more shelves, more room, but apparently I don't. I am just so obsessed. So whenever I make videos, like this is kind of like the showcase of it, it since my closet is sometimes open, and I just think this is like the perfect spot, you know, next to my amazing Pop Mart buddy right there. All right, so this does conclude the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this type of review. It's not really an unboxing video type of thing, but how to wear, some wear and tear, some honest opinions, pricing. Let me know if you guys enjoyed something like this, and I will definitely do something similar with either my jewelry pieces. I know I have like Cartier rings, I have like Cartier stack. I haven't done like a whole updated thing like that in a while, or my Van Cleef pieces as well. Anything with bags and jewelry and watches, I'm like, got me on a chokehold. But I do want to thank you guys so much for watching, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, always posting the entire week. I'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye! Cozy.